Okay, good morning, dear student. Welcome to again that session that is okay. What nurse therapeutic nurse patient relationship. Okay, again today we'll continue. Okay, yesterday I have already taken. Just wait. Okay, types of relationship: social relationship, intimate relationship, therapeutic relationship. Okay, we have already discussed this one. Okay, today we will focus on the phases of therapeutic relationship. Okay, so basically we will get four phases. First one is the pre-introduction phase or introductory. Second one is the introductory or orientation phase. Third one is the working phase, and fourth one is the termination phase. So first come back to the pre-introduction phase. This phase begins when a nurse is assigned to initiate a therapeutic relationship and include all that nurse thinks, feels or does immediately prior to the first interaction with the patient. Okay, it will pre-introduction, before introduction we are just preparing ourselves to interact with the patient. Okay, that is known as pre-introduction phase. Next, another important thing is that okay, nurses starts in the pre-introduction phase, explores own feelings, fantasies and fear. Okay, analyze its own professional strength and limitation. Okay, gather data about patient whenever possible. Plan for first meeting with the patient. So everything that what kind of patient he is, whether he or she will maintain discipline in the room, in the ward, everything. We are thinking a lot of things about the patient. If that patient is the drunken one, what we are thinking? That patient is coming to the ward again. Or people are again. So kind of stress will. So many kinds of stress will also come because after coming of that patient to that hospital. So this kind of problem will be happen in this kind of problem or this kind of thinking will come in the mind of the nurses. Analyze one professional मैं तो not अरे नहीं मानता माने that person is not listening anyone's word. तो यहाँ पर दिखाता है उसका क्या ज्यादा यहाँ दिखाता है उसका. Okay, so analyze own professional strength and limitation. मेरे को काम करना है ज्यादा इतना बात नहीं करना. Okay, that means I have to analyze myself regarding my own professional strength and follow my what can be done and what cannot be done. Okay, what can be done and what cannot be done. That is also under the control of me. This kind of thinking will come when we will interact with the PC. Before interacting with the PC, gather data about PC and whenever possible. हम gather माने उसको क्या unite करें. Whatever the information we are getting from the PC, that should be united. Relating to that disease, okay, previously whether any kinds of problem has already happened to that patient, we have to gather all the information related to the patient. Okay, another important thing is the plan for first meeting with the patient. First meeting इसका मतलब नहीं कि एक जगह बैठा के लेके उसको बात करना है. This is not a first meeting with the patient. First meeting with the patient mean whenever you are providing care to the patient, at the same time you are interacting with the patient. We are giving some ideas, knowledge, information about the patient. Plan for first meeting with the patient. This one. Let us come back to problems encounter. Difficulty in self-analysis and self-assessment. Problem. What kind of problem will face during the time of pre-introduction phase? Difficulty in self-analysis, self-assessment, anxiety, boredom, anger, indifference, depression. ओके पूरा खुद को एनालिसिस करने में पूरा क्या तकलीफ लगेगा. अरे एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए भी तकलीफ लगेगा. एंजाइटी, देयर विल बी एंजाइटी. ओके, देयर इज ए बोर्डम, मान बोर लगेगा. Okay, man, you are dealing with that patient again, na, definitely will feel bored. Anger, there will be angriness. Okay, पूरा कभी कभार पूरा angry हो जाओगे. Interference, सारे कुछ नहीं, तुमको नहीं सोचना. माने you can't differentiate between the that faulty that patient will be mistake done by the patient, or mistake will be done by the patient followed by another patient. If someone is one patient is doing good, on the other another patient is doing mistake, but you people are unable to differentiate between the good people and the bad people. And you are showing your anger, depression, boredom, anxiety to both the patients. Okay, that good good patient will also be hamper your attitude. Okay, so depression, there will be depression. मैंने परेशान कर देगा, बार बार बोलेगा कि मैंने बार बार अगर मेडिकल सर्जिकल पेशेंट होगा तो बार बार अरे इसका बीपी देखो, उसका ये करो, बार बार आगे पूछता रहेगा. ओके, मैंने सम problem will arise during the time, but whenever you will come back to that psychiatric patient, that patient will obviously मैंने psychiatric patient will show sign and symptoms that is not differentiate. Always you will see that depression will be there in that patient. That patient will talkative will also be there. Some sound will they will make noise pollution also be there. Okay, so many things will be happen in the world. So that kind of problem encountered by the nurses in the ward during the time of pre-introduction phase. Okay, let's come back to how to overcome that problems. Help from peers and supervisor in self-analysis, facing reality. Okay, always we have to tell to our peers group and supervisor that patient is doing such kind of mistake. Okay, you have to know about your strength, your what can be done so that I will overcome this kind of problem. You have to analyze yourself. And whatever we are studying in the theory, that is different from the actual practical field, or practically different from the theory. Okay, so facing reality, we'll face the reality, how to that can be overcome, how that can be managed properly, how that solution can be, okay, solutions can be come from that problems. We have to find out all these things from the, okay, reality world. Analyze ourselves and recognize her asset and limitation. Okay, we have to analyze ourselves. Okay, what kind of patient he or she is, whether he or she will cooperate me. Okay, whether that patient will what angry, whether that patient will make sound noise, make the sound pollution, or noise pollution, sound pollution means noise pollution inside the ward, whether that patient will move here and there, either and thither. Okay, whether that patient will fight with another patient. Okay, these kind of problems, whether that you are just assuming, just you are thinking whether that things will be happen in the word or not. Okay, so you have to analyze herself, recognize her asset and limitations, isn't it? Let us come back to introductory orientation phase. It is during the introductory phase that the nurse patient meet for the first time. फर्स्ट के हम किसी के साथ मीट करते हैं तो पहले हमारा पहचान होता है, गुड मॉर्निंग सिस्टर की, गुड मॉर्निंग ब्रदर की, गुड मॉर्निंग सर की, गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम. वी पीपल आर इंट्रोडक्टिंग ऑल दैट. सर माई सेल्फ रामकृष्ण श्याम, जो भी हुआ, आई एम डूइंग दिस वन, आई एम फ्रॉम दैट. ओके, दैट प्लेस जो भी हो. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ दिस वन इज द इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट. ओके, तुम्हारा नाम यू आर आस्किंग टू दैट व्हाट्स योर नेम, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, can you tell me what is the time and right now? This kind of question you have to ask. Okay, how many brothers and sisters have you? What's your you are asking to that patient. Okay, are you married? Married to pachare makan sabu jinis to everything you have to ask. Marital charge, everything. Patient will tell. If the patient will tell all these things in detail, then it will be easy to provide better care to that patient. It is good for us to nurture the duty towards the patient. One of the nurse's primary concern is to find out where the patient sought help. One of the nurse's primary concern is to find out where the patient sought help. Sometimes what happens, the patients are always coming to the sister room, nurse's room. They are asking for help. Okay, so we should concern about this one and find out the actual problem, whether the problem is faced by the patient is real or not. Then nurses start in the orientation, establish rapport, trust and acceptance, establish communication, gather data including the client's feelings, strength and weakness. Man, client's feelings. Man, after you are asking to that patient, after coming to the hospital, how you will feel if you are asking like this. Okay, patient will tell, I am not feeling well. Okay, previously how you are feeling, whether any kinds of some problem you are faced during that time. Yeah, if people are telling to that patient will tell, I mean, during my in my house I am lonely one. I feel some depressed. I'm not talking with anyone. I am fighting with my parents. Man, these kind of things will happen with the patient. That patient is telling to you regarding his or her feeling. Another strength I can do, man, strength I can do. Okay, man, suppose if you are saying whether you can go to bathroom, patient will lie. Obviously, I will go. If the patient will tell in the right, I will go. Weakness. What kind of man? Whether I have any weakness, okay. I am always fearful about the that reptile, snake. Man, if the patient will tell like that, anything weakness that will patient will tell you. Okay, you have to gather that information. That should be recorded. Okay, so another important thing is that define client problems and set priorities for nursing improvement. Always, always you have to highest priority. Okay, priority should be, man, we have to ask the patient regarding his or her problem. Then after you have to set the priorities from the highest priority, moderate priority, and the lowest priority. Okay, always you have to focus the higher priority. What should be the higher one? Suppose the patient in the depressed condition, always lonely one, not talking with anyone, not eating, okay, not maintaining his or her daily personal what will tell ADL activity of daily life. Okay, but not maintaining everything. Just you have to, okay, we have to talk with him or her regarding his or her feelings, regarding his or her depression, whether he has lost or not. Okay, everything we have to add. Then after we have to give that proper nursing, or we have to provide proper solution to overcome that problem. So this is the tasks of the nurse during the time of orientation phase. Mutually self. Okay, आपको ये करना है, मैंने if you are telling that you have to do, it will be good for you. आपको ये करना है, अगर अच्छा करेंगे तो आपका ये अभी मगर नहीं रहेगा. Okay, many people are telling to that patient. At the same time, the patient will, mentally some relaxation will, okay, will get. Next, come back to problem encounter. What kind of problem faced by the nurse during the time of orientation phase? Okay, perception of each other as unique individual may not take place. Okay, problems related to establishing an agreement or pact between the patient and you is always not possible. Perception, what you are perceiving on the other patient is, if you are perceiving that thing is in the positive way, on the other hand that patient is perceiving that in negative way. Okay, suppose take an example. Suppose you are telling for 1 month you should not smoke. If you are telling to him or her, okay, patient will tell why I will not smoke. Whether you are giving me money, I'm spending my money for smoking. If that patient is telling to you, so if people are getting that negative perception, you are getting the negative perception. But if people are telling to that patient the positive perception, isn't it? Then there is a part between you and the patient. You have to establish that part. There will be a problem. Part means chukti. In Odia it is chukti. Agreement. ओके नहीं आपको ये करना है, इफ यू आर कमिंग टू दैट हॉस्पिटल यू हैव टू फॉलो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल। ओके हम क्या करते हैं, किसी पेशेंट देखो after coming to the hospital many we people not allow the patient to go outside. If they will go outside, just you will tell to that patient you have to write, you have to give your signature on the back side of the admission ticket. We people are telling like that, yes or no? Okay, people are telling like that. So this is the pact or this is the agreement. If you will go to outside, if you will die, if will, there will be a road accident, anything will happen to you, no one will responsible for you. Okay, mane this kind of problems will also happen. Okay, another important thing is that secondary patient cannot be controlled in the that word. That's why there will always be in the eye open them, mane our eye always open them, otherwise they will go where and there no one can say. अभी यहाँ देखे हो कभी कहाँ चला जाएगा किसी को पता नहीं है। अगर तुम सीआईपी जो सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट साइकेट्री जो कांके रांची में है, ओके वहां पर जो पेशेंट है पूरा जेल जैसा है ना, जेल वैसे पूरा रखा गया है पूरा। ओके मीन वैसे टाइप का फिल्म में देखे हो, दिल वाला फिल्म देखे हो, हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक, ओके लाइक दैट इट इज आल्सो। ओके बट some of the what changes has already happened. Okay, so this kind of problem will be faced by the nurses during the time of orientation phase. Let's come back to how it can be overcome or ways to overcome. Nurse must be willing to relate honestly to her feeling and share with supervisor. Okay, if माने अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम होता है, someone is having problem, अगर खुद का हो, मेरे सपोज आई एम फीलिंग प्रॉब्लम, आई हैव टू शेयर विद द आनंद सर. If you are having a problem, you have to share with your roommate. If that problem is too much, you have to share with your roommate or your classmate also. Then problem will be solved. माने you will get some mental relaxation. नहीं I have not do, जो मैं mistake करता it is not good for me. माने your feeling you are sharing with someone, माने some mental relaxations you are getting in. Nurse must feel free to reveal self without fear of criticism. Okay, sometimes criticism, few people are there, always they will criticize. Okay, हम क्या होता है कि कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ कुछ काम सबके पास नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, few माने all work cannot be done by one people. Few work that cannot be done by single man also. That's why माने that will be criticized by जो काम नहीं कर पाते वो तो क्रिटिसाइज उसको करते हैं, हर आदमी समालोचना करता है. ओके दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू फ्री एंड टेल टू आवरसेल्फ, अरे मेरे कोई नहीं करना चाहिए था, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट डू, सो दैट आई विल नॉट गेट द क्रिटिसाइज बाय द अदर पीपल. ओके देयर विल बी चेंजेस विल बी देयर. Difficulty may be faced in assisting a nurse with counter transference since most of this behavior is unconsciously determined. While we will provide care to the patient, that patient will tell man, some awkward word, some filthy language, some what will tell, some not good words to man, to that nurse. At the same time, we people will angry over that patient. Obviously anyone will angry, someone will unnecessarily angry over you. You people obviously you will show that Newton's third law of motion, obviously although it is a law of motion, but you people obviously react to that act, isn't it? So that in that cases we have to manage and we tell ourselves and the patient has already told it is unconsciously, that's why I should not take it in mind. Okay, and another important thing is that a alert supervisor can detect this and guide the nurse appropriately. Always a supervisor and क्या experienced person will always okay detect this problem and guide the nurse appropriately. सपोज तो किसी ने ज्वाइन किया, नया नया ज्वाइन किया है हॉस्पिटल में, उसको पता नहीं है कौन पेशेंट क्या है, पहले जो रहेगा दैट माने दे विल नो प्रॉपर्ली ये पेशेंट ऐसा है, मैंने ये पेशेंट ऐसा है, इसका रिलेटिव ऐसा है, इनके साथ ऐसे व्यवहार करना है, एवरीवन विल नो. आप पहले अगर नया नया आए हो तो यू विल फाइट विद एनीवन ना, तुमको क्योंकि दूसरों का बात बोलेगा तो यू विल सम रिएक्ट टू दैट पेशेंट्स ना, isn't it? So this may be the ways to overcome that problem, but that experienced one will handle that one. Okay, detail ये पेशेंट थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है, इसके साथ थोड़ा अच्छा बर्ताव करना. Okay, so in this way it can be overcome. Next, come back to the working phase. Number third one, most of the therapeutic work is carried out during the working phase. The nurse and the patient explore relevant research, promote the development of insight in the patient. Oh, most of the therapeutic work is carried out during the working phase. The nurse and the patient explore relevant research, promote the development of insight in the patient. Okay, working phase में ही तो काम करना है, जो भी काम दिया गया, जो भी काम रहेगा, you have to perform that work in the well. Okay, problem यहाँ पर क्या टास्क होगा? What will be the task? Gather further data, explore relevant research. जो ट्रेस करता है उसको ट्रेसर बोलते हैं. The agent who will create trace is known as tracer. Promote peace and development, insight and use of constructive coping mechanism. Okay, सबका अंतर्निहित गुणावली है. कोई कोई आदमी देखो डायग्राम अच्छा कर लेता है, कोई कोई आदमी अच्छा गाना गा लेता है, कोई कोई आदमी अच्छा ओके कितना सारा चीज कर लेते हैं, दोनों कर लेता है. कोई गाना अच्छा गाता है तो कोई डांस भी कर लेता है. बाकी तुम लोग क्या करते हो? ना पढ़ाई करते हो ना बाकी और क्या काम. ओके, तो पढ़ाई करना जरूरी है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई promoting student nurses for development of the insight. Okay, here we'll change this one. The teacher will promote the student for development of insight and use of constructive coping mechanism. Okay, जो डांस कर रहा है माने एवरी ऑलराउंडर वन, कभी कभी कौन पढ़ाई भी अच्छा करता है, सब काम भी कर लेते हैं. ओके, कोई खाली खाली बात करेगा, पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा. ओके, टॉकेटिव ही रहेगा. उसके बाद फैसिलिटेट बिहेवियरल चेंज, encourage him to validate the results of his behavior. No. Okay, provide him with opportunity for independent functioning. Always you have to give the opportunity to the patient so that he or she will work the thing the properly independently. Okay, man, we should not always depend on anyone, and we should always be independent, isn't it? Another important thing is that evaluate problems and goals and redefine as necessary. If the problem has already arrived, we have to find out the solution. We have to set the goals. If it is, again we have to redefine. Then at last we will achieve our goal and we'll find out the result or outcomes we will see. Okay, let us come back to the problems encountered. Testing of nurse by the patient, unrealistic assumptions about progress of patient. The nurse's fear of closeness, life pressure of nerve, resistance behavior, transference, counter transference. Ways to overcome. Conferences with the supervisor and group discussion with other members of the staff. Okay, always we have to make some conference. Okay, mane sometime what happen, we have to make a group discussion. Okay, so we have to make some conference where everyone will share their ideas, own feelings, what they are facing during the time of care. We have to think, we have to see all these things so that it will easy to provide proper care to the patient. So there will be a times when the nurse believes she is making little or no progress. Okay, handling resistance. Okay, next another termination phase. This is the most difficult and most important phase of the therapeutic nurse-patient relationship. The goal of this phase is bring to therapeutic gain to the relationship. Okay, at last termination phase means end phase. This time this is the most difficult but the most important phase of the therapeutic relationship. Just you have to एस्टैब्लिश रिलेटिव ऑफ सेपरेशन. अभी क्या तुमको सेपरेट हो जाना है, पेशेंट को डिस्चार्ज करना है. म्यूचुअली एक्सप्लोर फीलिंग ऑफ रिजेक्शन, लॉस, सडनेस, हंगर रिलेटेड बिहेवियर. ये पेशेंट चला गया, मैं आई एम नॉट राइट नाउ आई एम फीलिंग वेल, दैट पेशेंट इज मेकिंग सो मेनी नॉइज पोल्यूशन इनसाइड द वार्ड. माने माने यू आर एक्सप्लोरिंग योर फीलिंग्स. ओके, गया तो अच्छा हो, माने रिजेक्शन, यू आर रिजेक्टिंग दैट पेशेंट. Okay, loss. Sometimes what happen? Few patients they are also doing the good behavior. We people think that that patient previously what the patient has already admitted to that word, that patient is good one. His or her behavior is good. Okay, sometimes people will angry over few pieces, and another related behavior will also be there. Review progress of therapy and attainment of goal. From whatever we are providing care to the patient, okay, care to the patient. Okay, whether we have achieved our goal or not, we have to find out. Another important thing, formulate plans for meeting future therapy needs. प्रॉब्लम कौन सा फेस करेंगे, एंगर, punitive behavior, depression, assuming non-caring attitude, flight to health, flight to illness, nurses inability, non-willingness to make specific plans and implement them. Ways to overcome. Nurse should be aware of patient feelings and be able to deal with them appropriately, assist the patient by openly eliciting his thoughts and feelings about termination. Supervisor can assist the nurse in preparing patient for discharge. Therapeutic emphasis and its management. Okay, types on resistance and transference. Number 3, counter transference. Gift giving boundary violation. Resistance क्या है? Resistance is the patient attempt to remain unaware of anxiety producing aspect within himself. Sometimes what happens, we people also too much anxious about thinking. In that cases will register. Okay, कुछ कुछ चीजें anxious हो जाते हैं, at the same time we have to control ourselves. It is a natural learned reluctance to avoidance of verbalizing even experiencing trouble aspect to self. Sometimes what happens, we are experiencing anxiety. बोतल अच्छे मोर गाड़ी रे अच्छे बाहर कर मेरो मुझे दे दे मेरो मैनेजमेंट एक्टिव लिसनिंग. कोई भी आदमी बोल रहा है एक्टिव लिसनिंग. क्लैरिफिकेशन गिव फॉर फोकस्ड आइडिया व्हाट इज. Reflection helps the patient to become aware of what is going in might explore behavior to find possible reason, maintain open communication with supervisor. Okay, next are transparency. It is an unconscious response of the patient in which he explains the feelings and attitude towards the nurse that were originally associated with significant figures in his early life. Such response utilize the defense mechanism of displacement. Transference reactions are harmful to the therapeutic process only if they remain unexamined. Okay, management. No need to terminate relationship unless poses a serious barrier to therapy or safety. Nor should work with the patient in sorting out past from the present. Assist the patient in identifying the transparency and reassign a new or more appropriate remaining to the current patient nurse patient relationship. The goal is to guide the patient to independence by teaching them to assume responsibility for their own behavior, feeling, thoughts, and sign the correct meeting to the relationship based on the present circumstances instead of past. Suppose one patient has already done mistake in past. Okay, man, who will tell to that patient already past is past. Always you should not realize that past, and you have to made a mistake in the future on the present day. Okay, that can manage. Okay, evening again we will continue the class. Okay, thank you very much.
बिल्कुल कोई कंफर्म नहीं कर सकता है.